Today is International Women's Day, which is being celebrated all over the world. And it is the day when women talk about their liberty, about their rights, about their emancipation, be it their political, social, legal, religious rights, and their position towards economic emancipation. And it's a day to also to recognize the struggles of all those women that are fighting battles, be it domestic, be it national, be it international. They are paving their way and they are breaking stereotypes. And let me bring your concentration towards the women of conflicts, especially Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. I mean, the women folk are combating 8 lakh Indian army, and they are facing all kinds of oppressions, all kinds of harassments, molestations, and where rape is being used as a weapon of war against the women folk, but they are not giving up. They're taking care of their children, they're survivors, they're the breadwinners, because most of the men are unemployed, or they're missing, or they have been tortured, or they are incarcerated, or they are widows, or they're half widows. Yet they're not giving up, and they are facing the occupation with such bravery and with such unflinching passion. So hats off to the bravest women in the world. So let's salute them and celebrate them as our true